What's up guys, Tony from Tucker Speed here. Wanted to talk to you about a new product that we just added to our website that we're super excited about. Oberon adjustable levers for Harley Davidson motorcycles. These things are super high quality, very reasonably priced. Pricing compared to some of the competitors I think is very fair. It's at or below some of the competitors' pricing. But I think that the quality, in my opinion, is far above anything else I've seen on the market to date. Super excited to bring these. I've been running them on a personal bike and they work really well. Both just the fit, the finish, the adjustment, how everything works is really good. The adjustment kind of works with this switch on top. It's got a little window, it kind of shows you what position it's in, marked 1 through 8. It's got 8 different positions. You can hear this, the little click, a little detent that lets you know you're locked into the next position. Basically moves this lever closer or further away from the grip, just depending on your personal liking. These levers, you got 3 lever options. You got the custom blade, which is also just a wide blade, the standard blade, and then also the arrow blade. The arrow blade is basically a standard, but it's got this hole kind of milled in it and kind of gives it a nice look. But I also like the arrow because it gives you the ability, I can kind of feel that hole when you're using the lever, you can kind of feel it. Gives you an idea of where your finger is on the lever. I like the arrow setup. Then the other customizable part of it all is the colors. You can do different colors on the levers, and then you can also change the switches. They got 7 colors, blue, orange, black, silver, gold, blue, titanium. So you can customize these things to kind of match your bike and your build and give it a nice little custom touch. I have a set installed on a bike here. I'll show you kind of the way they look on the bike and how the adjustment works here. So you can see that, the fit and finish here is really nice. The adjustment, all you got to do is just turn this. You can hear it kind of click to the next position. You can see it moving closer to the bar or further away, and you can kind of set that up to your personal liking. But it's super easy to use. It's got a high quality ball bearing in there, keeps everything moving nice and free, nice easy pull, a great feel to it, a great look. Very high quality product that we're super excited to add to our product lineup. With all the different levers, bike models, these fit all the late model Harley Davidsons, but that's a lot of different models, and then all the different color combos. These are a custom order option, so when you go to order these, they're not sitting on the shelf ready to go. We they get ordered to whatever your specific need is. So they do take a couple of weeks depending on turnaround, but keep that in mind. But I definitely think they're worth the wait. Like I said, the fit and finish and quality on this is like very good. I'm super impressed with these things, and the pricing is very reasonable. So definitely worth the wait. Shoot us a DM, an email or whatever, tuckerspeed.com. Check them out.